Hey curly tees. Lotionpro 165, aka Arlicel 165, is probably one of the most reliable emulsifiers you can use here. However, it offers absolutely no thickness at all. If you want a cream, you will have to add a thickener, or else you'll have a milk instead of cream. Lotionpro 165 is a combo of glycerol stearate and PEG 100 stearate. Yes, it's a PEG. If that bothers you, use a PEG-free emulsifier, but you may have to use 2 emulsifiers to get the same level of stability, but I don't know. Test it out and see. Maybe you can try Ecomos or Olive M 1000.
If you could please hurry the up, it would be greatly appreciated.